Warning, I'm about to say something that a lot of salespeople say, and you're probably going to feel gross. It's probably going to be a turnoff to you. I'm in fact going to go take a shower after I say it. Hey, what do I need to do to get your business? If you're saying or you're asking that question as a salesperson, what do we need to do to get your business? Where do we need to be? What do I need to tell you to earn your business? That is gross. That is disgusting. That is sleazy. You need to get some better training or find another job. Stop asking stupid questions like that. Be a true professional. Deliver value, deliver insights, learn about the challenges in that person's life and how you can help them solve them. And then present your recommendations based on what they've told you. If you find yourself saying stupid things like, what do I need to do to get your business? You either need to learn how to be a better sales consultant or get another job. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.